Subtraction. Subtraction is a mathematical operation that tells us the difference between two numbers, and it is denoted by a minus sign. In other words, subtraction is the process of finding how many are left when some are taken away. In this example, by subtracting 5 minus 4 we get 1. By subtracting 8 minus 1 we get 7. By subtracting 6 minus 3 we get 3. By subtracting 5 minus 2 we get 3. By subtracting 4 minus 1 we get 3. By subtracting 7 minus 1 we get 6. Subtraction of two-digit numbers with carrying. Sometimes, when you are subtracting large numbers, the top digit in a column is smaller than the bottom digit in that column. In that case, you need to borrow from the next column to the left. Borrowing is a two-step process. Subtract 1 from the top number in the column directly to the left. Add 10 to the top number in the column you were working in. In this example, we cannot subtract 2 from 7 because 2 is smaller than 7, so we borrow 1 from 10's column. After subtracting 12 from 7 we get 5. From 10's column, after borrowing 1 we left with 4, and subtracting 3 from 4 we get 1. After subtracting 11 from 7 we get 4. From 10's column, after borrowing 1 we left with 2, which we place in our answers section. The first step is to subtract 4 from 6 in the ones column, which gives you 2. When you move to the tens column, however, you find that you need to subtract 9. Because 8 is smaller than 9, you need to borrow from the hundreds column. First, cross out the 3 and replace it with a 2, because 3 minus 1 equals 2. Next, place a 1 in front of the 8, changing it to an 18, because 8 plus 10 equals 18. Now you can subtract in the tens column. 18 minus 9 equals 9. The final regular step is simple. 2 minus 0 equals 2. By subtracting 789 minus 20 we get 769.